As a new homeowner, there are several common house problems that you may come across when buying your first home. One of the most significant problems you may face is roofing problems. Here are some of the most common roofing problems you may encounter. Leaks. These can occur due to damage to the shingles or flashing, or due to improper installation. Missing or damaged shingles. Shingles can become damaged or missing due to age, weather, or other factors. Poor installation. If your roof was not installed properly, you may experience a variety of problems, such as leaks and premature deterioration. Improper ventilation. Proper ventilation is essential to ensure that your roof lasts as long as possible. Poor maintenance. If you do not properly maintain your roof, you may experience problems such as leaks, damaged shingles, and other issues. If you encounter any of these problems, we are here to help, 24/7. Visit https://dallasprolist.com.